Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use ActiveTrack on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So ActiveTrack is a feature that allows you to lock onto a subject, and the camera will follow the subject no matter how you twist it or turn it. So to use it, all we need is the subject in our viewfinder or the live view, like that. And all we need to do is just double tap on it like that. It's going to tell you ActiveTrack enabled, and you'll see this green bounding square around what the camera will be tracking. And now, if we twist the camera like that, let me just move a little further away, so it's actually easier to track because sometimes it does have issues. If it's, for example, too close, as you can see, subject lost. So there we go, just double tap it. And now, if I turn the camera, as you can see, the camera is following the subject and always keeps on it. It's a pretty cool thing and really useful. And that is pretty much how you use it. And if you want to stop focusing, just click anywhere on the screen and it will stop. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.